Hello friends, welcome back to Farah's kitchen. Today we are going to make this delicious egg stuffed with veggies and cheese. It's healthy and best breakfast for a keto diet. So let's get started with the ingredients. You will require salt to taste, 2 eggs, tomatoes chopped, green chillies chopped, capsicum chopped, coriander leaves, mozzarella cheese, butter. Heat a pan and wipe off the excess water droplets, if any. Add in the butter and let it melt. Then add in the veggies, 1 tablespoon capsicum chopped, green chillies, 1 tablespoon, tomatoes, 1 tablespoon chopped, coriander leaves. I prefer more coriander leaves, so I took around 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped. If you want, you can add in the mushrooms also at this stage. Cook the veggies. Beat egg with salt. And pour the egg in the cooked vegetables. Now here there is a tip to make the omelette fluffy. Always from side push the egg inwards till the egg or the omelette looks fluffy. By doing this, air is incorporated in the egg and makes it look fluffy. Cover it till half done. Then add in the grated mozzarella cheese. You can add some other cheese also, like cheddar cheese. And slowly fold in from the sides. Do not let it break, because if it breaks, the cheese will melt and ooze out and get burnt. Cover it for 2 more minutes and flip it over. Our cheesy omelette is ready. You can sprinkle some grated mozzarella cheese and drizzle a dollop of butter for that extra buttery taste. This cheesy veggie omelette is ready for serve. You can have it with toasted bread or croissants. Thank you for watching Farah's Kitchen. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Stay blessed.